Okay, so Subhajyoti Saha. So Subha, you are from computer science, and let me record your final selection in IIT Kanpur in computer science department for MTech program, right? Subha?
Sir, for PhD program, right?
For PhD program. Okay, great. So Subha, I want you to first tell us about your academic background, like from where you graduated, which college, which year, your CGPA, your grade score, your category. These basic things.
Yes, sir. I am Suyati Saha. I have completed my Bachelor of Technology in the year 2021 from Indian Institute of Engineering, Science and Technology, Shibpur, with a CGPA of 8.3. And then my grade score was 450, which was low, and my category is OBC.
Okay. So, Subha, you got 8.3 CGPA, 450 computer science grade score, 2021, right?
Yes, sir. 20.
Okay. And you are from IST Shivpur, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, before I go forward, Subha, what kind of college is Shivpur? Do you get placement in computer science there?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I got placement from Cadence System Design.
Okay. So, why then you did not join it?
Yes, I shall leave the company. I have spent.
Okay. So, you did not join, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, I did.
Okay, so why Subha, very less student computer science students go for higher education, that to PhD. So what motivated you to go for PhD?
Because I'm thinking that if I do the PhD, I can do something good to the society. That kind of thinking.
So you have something in your mind like becoming teacher or something, or
Yes.
you have kept option open?
Yes, sir. I have thinking that I can be a professor. So that
okay, you can be. Okay, great. Okay, now Subha, let me ask you, like your CGPA was good, 8.3, which is the criteria to get calls from IITs for PhD and MS programs. Tell me, other than IIT Kanpur, you got selected now in IIT Kanpur in PhD program. So other than IIT Kanpur, which is one of the best IITs in India, from where you got the calls for PhD or MS programs?
IIT Bhopal, IIT Bombay.
IIT, please keep telling the department and course also, like PhD, MS, MTech.
Yes, IIT Bhopal, Computer Science and Technology Department, direct PhD. IIT Bombay, Computer Science Department, PhD. IIT Bombay, System and Control Engineering Department, PhD. And there was a joint PhD program by IIT Hyderabad and Swinburne University in computer science. So I got that college.
Okay, so everywhere there was interview, right?
Yes, but IIT CSE there was written test. IIT CSE PhD, IIT Bombay CSE PhD there was written test. So I did not clear that.
Okay, so Shubha, I would like to ask you first about IIT Bombay Computer Science PhD written test. What kind of exam was that? If you can tell something about that.
Yes, sir. So I think, sir, that for me that interview was difficult. That test was difficult for me. They are asking from probabilities, highly mathematics oriented questions. I cannot do that. There was question from linear algebra, but upon the linear algebra concept, I have to apply probability. That kind of question.
So do you think that was common exam for all branches or only computer science students?
No, sir, that was for computer science students only.
Computer science only, yeah?
Yes, right.
So other than mathematics, linear programming and probability, other than that, what did they ask in the written exam?
Yes, sir. They asked from computer network, good numerical from computer networks.
Okay. Computer network. That was also difficult, huh?
Yes, sir. Numerical also difficult. Operating system.
So any idea, I mean, how many students they qualified for interview and all? Any statistics?
No, sir,
so no idea about IIT Bombay, yeah?
Yes, sir,
okay. What about IIT Ropar?
Yes, sir. IIT Ropar direct PhD was there. So basically, and the interview was good. I was clear the interview.
So any questions, if you can tell me the questions they asked you?
Yes, sir. They asked, at first they asked, tell me about yourself. So I introduced. Then they asked, upon which subject do you want to continue the interview? So I told them that I want to continue linear algebra, probability, engineering mathematics, data structure. Then said this, one professor start. Can I ask you a question from linear algebra? Yes, ma'am. Yes, sir. Then I was asked question from linear algebra. So the first question was, what is rank of matrix? So I declared the number of independent rows and columns. Then I was asked, is the number of independent rows or columns and columns will be same for a matrix? So the answer was yes, but I told no. Then she asked why. Then I told something. Then she asked why. Then I told something wrong. Then she moved the question from that direction and start questioning from new direction. So the question was, what if suppose Q is a column vector, then their inner product means, suppose U and V are column vectors, then the inner product means U transpose V is equal to 0. So what do you mean from that? So I think for some time, and then I told that is 0, it means element wise product is 0, and projection of one vector along another vector, the value of projection of one vector along the another vector is 0. Then she asked when that does happen. Then I replied when they are perpendicular. So originally she was asking to find that word perpendicular, and she helped me to find the word in that way.
Okay.
Then
yes, sir. So could you eventually get selected into that IIT Kanpur, IIT Ropar?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
You got that, huh? Okay, great. And now after that IIT Ropar, which IIT you had interview, Suba?
IIT Kanpur.
IIT Kanpur only. So tell us about IIT Kanpur first, no in detail. Did they ask a research proposal for IIT Kanpur?
Yes, yes, sir.
Okay,
research.
so did you write some research work going on in IIT Kanpur in your research proposal?
Sir, sorry, sir, research proposal no, there was SOP.
SOP, okay. So what did you write in SOP related to the work also you write?
Yes, sir, in SOP I write that in my second year I have done one research project. So there was one paper I published at that time. So I write about that project. But
did you write also that what you are going to do in PhD if you get IIT Kanpur?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay. So what did you write? What did you write in that?
Yes, sir.
Which area?
Yes, sir. Application of AI, artificial intelligence and machine learning on medical field or biological field. And I also mentioned the name of the professors.
Okay. So how it went? How many professors were there and what were the questions?
Yes, sir. So the name of the professor whom I mentioned in the SOP, he was there in the interview. He and one madam, and there was one professor from another department, it's biomedical science department. He was a guest professor. He did not ask me any question in the interview. So two professors was questioning me. At first I was told to give a presentation of 12 minutes. So I presented the work of second year, the research paper I also showed them, and then I was asked a simple coding question. Write the code to check whether two strings are anagram or not. It was a simple coding question. So I write down the pseudocode, and then they asked me two questions. Those are also simple. One question was from probability. The question was if P of A given B is equal to P of A is equal to 0.45, then what is the probability of P of A given not B? So it was simple that P of A given B is equal to P of A means they are independent. So because I answered that. And second was an eigenvalue calculation problem. The matrix was also, the lower part was 0 and the upper part also was only values. So the eigenvalues were diagonal, that was also 0. These two questions.
So how long it was, Subha?
So the presentation goes something beyond the time limit. After that it was, I did not calculate it.
Which presentation?
Sir, for 12 minutes they asked to show me one presentation.
Okay, PPT.
Yes, sir. It may be either my project work or my any research work which I have collaborated.
How many slides were there in presentation? How many slides?
Yes, sir. There are some slides, 15, 16 slides, but they did not let me show all the slides. So I just showed them first 5 to 6 slides. Then he told that no, I will have limited time. You have only 3 weeks more. Then at that time I should.
So did they ask you under which professor would you like to do PhD? Did they ask you that?
No, sir. No, sir.
So did they ask you which area in IIT Kanpur would you like to work very clearly?
They did not ask it, sir.
Okay, so they asked you only related to the subjects, huh?
Yes, sir.
And BTech project?
No, they also did not ask, sir.
So only subjects they asked, huh?
There's only 3 questions, sir. Only 3 questions that I answered.
So why do you think Subha they selected you?
Sir, because of the presentation, sir.
Okay, the PPT which you made, huh?
And sir, the publication was there, so I showed them the publication, and I explained the PPT very well. So that is.
So do you think the publication which you had? How many publication you had?
Sir, only one.
2.
Only one.
Only one. In which journal you had that publication?
I don't know. It's a journal. I don't know.
Okay. So because of that publication, I think they selected you, right?
Yes, sir. And I also explained that thing very well.
Okay. So now, Subhajit, you have finalized it. IIT Kanpur PhD in computer science. You have finalized that.
Yes, sir. Okay.
So you are going to join that only now, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So can you tell now if some student next year wants to join this department of IIT Kanpur PhD or PhD anywhere in India? What is your advice? How he should proceed immediately after GATE?
In any PhD interview, I was asked only from mathematics related, mostly from mathematics related questions.
Okay.
So they should prepare mathematics very well.
Mathematics. Which topics of mathematics?
Linear algebra, probability. Probability also was not very difficult, but linear algebra, that kind.
Okay. So yeah. What are the other options left now for you, Subha? Any other interviews are left now, or it's all over?
All over, sir.
So it's all done. Huh? So when is your session starting?
August 2nd August.
2nd of August, huh?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this is only June 12th. So how you are going to spend the time now?
I am joined the job. It's already joined the job.
You are already doing your job.
Yes,
Okay,
sir. So
okay.
after 2 weeks, I said with the offer letter, I told them.
Okay. Chalo, Subha, all the very best and be in contact. And I will keep on interacting with you. You will join the IIT Kanpur, and if required, I'll again talk to you, and maybe you guide some students also if they want to get some information from you. Please help them also, right, Subha?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
thank you, Subha.
Yes, sir.